If you still have your mother, if you still have your father, don't wait. Tell them today. Chasing dreams, never stop to hear your heartbeat. Thinking time would always stay, never thought you'd fade away. You gave your love without a price, sacrificed your own whole life. Every lesson, every prayer, you were always standing there. I wish I could turn back time, hold your hand just one more night, tell you all the words I never said before you became a memory instead. Call them today, tell them that you love them, hold them close, don't put tomorrow first. One day the house goes quiet, one day the chair is empty. You never know what you got until they're only memories. Call them today before it's too late.